Well, my bike started and then turned off this morning. I started it, now the F1 light is on, so that's good. But hello everybody, it's me, Chris, here with the moto vlog for the first time in what seems like a while. I think it's been like a week, 2 weeks. I moved. I think my last moto vlog was moving confirmed. So yeah, I moved. I now live in McIntyre. That's my post office. It is literally someone's garage. I live out in the middle of nowhere. But moving was successful. All of our stuff got moved in. We only got charged for one stain on the carpet, which was a friend spilled a pink or reddish beverage, and it dyed the carpet pink. So we got charged for that, like 50 bucks. So not terribly bad. If you guys remember, I guess for the new people, my last apartment, they tried to charge me for the carpets before I had even cleaned them, and my lease included a light carpet cleaning, and I was like, hey, if you do this, you're breaking the lease. And they're like, oh damn. I was like, yeah son. It went just like that, like word for word. Ow, that hurt a lot. That would then like bounce inside my gear, like in my crotch or something. That would suck. But yeah, so moving happened, moving out happened. I got my computer set all up. I've been streaming. That really hurt. Huh. There's something yellow and goopy on my arm from wherever that was hit me. Oh, it fell off. I think I got hit by a honeybee. Or a BB. Like a big bee. Which makes me worried because now I'm scared that it's on me somewhere and it's going to eat me. I've been working at the deli. I don't know if I mentioned that in my last moto vlog. But I got a job at a deli. I'm working at that. It's not the worst thing I've ever done, but I'm starting to get the feeling that half of the people working there don't like me. So that's cool. I'm gonna use this opportunity to look at my dick. Yeah, we're good. I don't know what that lady's dealio was. God, you know, I don't know if you guys will be even able to hear me, but I got the feeling that some of the people at work don't like me, because I leave at 6, and that seems to piss people off because the shift normally ends at 7. But I put in my availability that I had to stop working at 6. So, you know, I don't see why they're mad at me about that. Like, I gotta go home and I gotta stream. So, you know. And the other thing is, I guess I'm doing a good job. The manager likes me, so that makes everybody else hate me, because that makes sense. So yeah, what started out to be a nice little happy family that I really enjoyed going and working with has turned into a group of people who are arguing with each other a lot, and then I hear complaining about me a lot. So that's fun. My arm really hurts from wherever that thing hit me. Ow. So yeah, that's my life. That's what's going on. And kind of sucks. Oh, kind of sucks. But I finally found, oh god, these bumps are awful. But I was looking to do a moto vlog last week, and I got my stuff ready, and I was all ready to go, and then I couldn't find the port. And then today I was like, oh, I should motorcycle to work and do a moto vlog. And I was like, oh, but I can't find my thing. And my girlfriend was like, did you look in your GoPro box? In that exact voice. She doesn't have that voice. And I was like, oh shit, I have a GoPro box? And she's like, yeah, I made this little box full of all your GoPro stuff. And I was like, girl! I went upstairs, and sure enough, there it was. That was a very dead deer. This is a very popular biking road. stay here. I'll stay here forever. I also like the sill. This is a state route. Ow. That was fun. Yeah, this is a state route with the state police barracks on it. So I think it's Route 286, Western Pennsylvania. It actually goes all the way to Monroeville. So I could just hop on that and pretty much get to Pittsburgh. It's a little windy, but you know, I think it's a better option than 22. 22 sucks. There's so many red lights. But this moto vlog has probably turned out a little longer than it should have, and I've just kind of been mumbling the whole time and randomly talking, which I mean I guess is all of my moto vlogs, so what's the difference, right? But I'm gonna go, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.